Choose the sentence that is most clearly written. When looking for a clearly worded sentence, we'll keep an eye out for proper grammar, logical flow, and modifiers that describe the intended subject accurately. With questions like these, tests will often use misplaced or dangling modifiers to confuse you. As a quick review, a modifier is anything that modifies a part of a sentence. For example, in the sentence, "The student answered the question," we can use intelligent to modify student, confidently to modify answered, and difficult to modify question. When applied ambiguously, modifiers can decrease the clarity of a sentence, as we see in the famous joke, "One morning I shot an elephant in my pajamas. How he got in my pajamas, I don't know." With all of this in mind, let's take a look at our sentences. A. The cat chased its tail spinning around in the living room. This sentence gives us an example of an ambiguously placed modifier, the modifier in question being spinning. It describes something in the sentence, but the way the sentence is written, it's unclear whether it was the cat or the tail spinning around the living room. Because this sentence lacks clarity, we can mark it as incorrect. B. In the living room, the cat spun around as it chased its tail. This sentence tells us clearly where we are, the living room, who is doing the action, the cat, and what that action is, spun around as it chased its tail. There's no room for ambiguity regarding what was spinning or who was doing the chasing. Since this sentence can be understood clearly on the first read, we can mark this choice as our final answer.